Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your password of Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open this Crunchyroll application at first. And after opening the Crunchyroll application, you will see a lot of options into your homepage of Crunchyroll. But in order to change the password, you have to click into this account section at the bottom right corner. Click into the account section, and into there you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will find this option of membership. And into there you will find this password section. You just simply have to click into this password section, and into here you can easily change password even than you imagine. In order to change the password, you just simply have to enter the current password of your Crunchyroll at the top row, and after that enter the new password at the second row. And similarly, re-enter the new password at the last row in order to confirm that you are changing your password. And if all the information that you have provided is correct, just simply click into this change password and your password will be changed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your password into Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.